Hello, welcome to Recipes by Janki. Today I'm going to share very healthy and easy to cook asparagus. So I will show you how to cook in a pan. Usually people cook in an oven. So this won't take more than 10 minutes. So let's start the recipe. So here I have taken one bunch of asparagus. Just make sure it's a fresh and that top part is green. So now we will cut this wooden stalk out. So when you buy, just make sure that the top part is green. So let's wash it. And now into the pan I have taken around 2 teaspoons of olive oil. You can take any oil. Just coat it with the pan. Make sure it's well coated. Once oil is hot, I will add minced garlic. So here I have taken around 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. You can also crush it. So we want to cook the garlic until it's just a little bit golden brown in color. We don't want too dark. This is perfect. So now we will add that washed asparagus. Now coat it with the oil. Is well coated, and we will cook it on a medium high heat. So here I have added around a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of salt, and some black pepper powder. You can add according to your taste. Now give it a toss. Make sure it's all well covered. So we will keep mixing in between, so it don't get just cooked on one side. We just want to make sure it's cooked from all the sides. Gently toss it. Keep on checking. Once it's halfway done, I will add a chili flakes. That is a red crushed pepper, and I have also added a teaspoon of white vinegar to give a good tangy flavor. It's just a hint of tangy flavor, and it will also help cook the asparagus quickly, and also it will help retain the green color. So once you lift up the asparagus, it's not holding up its texture, so that means it's cooked. Now it's time to serve. So it from start to finish, it did not take me more than 10 minutes. So this is very good side dish that you can serve with any kind of food. So do try my recipe, and let me know in the comment box. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.